Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be speaking about lymphatic drainage and jade rolling. So without no further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. Okay, so I have two jade rollers. These are what they look like. They actually came in my Aveda kit, if you guys haven't seen that video. But honestly, I used to think jade rolling was a gimmick, like it didn't do anything. I just felt like it was just on Instagram because that's where I would see it in the most. And I didn't really understand what jade rolling was, what the benefits of rolling this on your face was. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know what that is. So it could be a spiritual benefit of jade are peace, balancing energy, protection against negative energy, relaxation of the nervous system, and emotional healing. There's more that could go into this category, but that gives you a good amount of insight of what jade rolling is. Personally, you do not have to believe in like the spiritual aspects of jade rolling because honestly, I don't know too much about the spiritual levels when it comes to jade rolling. So to be honest, I don't really believe the spiritual level of it, but I do believe the benefits of the actual jade rolling on the face. Not gonna lie, not until I learned about what jade rolling is, I just started to include it in my skincare like morning routine and even afternoon routine because you can jade roll in the morning and the nighttime. I'm actually gonna read off a few benefits of jade rolling. When I jade roll, I do notice that the puffiness under my eyes in the morning do go away. So this is what I do with my jade roller. In the morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is put my jade rollers in the freezer. That way they are nice and cold. If you don't have time to stick them in the freezer, you can just grab a bowl of ice and stick them in there while you're getting dressed or something and then come back to them and they'll be just fine and nice and cool. And then you're gonna run it under the lower like puffiness, lower under eyes, and it's gonna help reduce the puffiness in the eyes because can't tell you how many times I woke up with puffy eyes, and honestly that has been a lifesaver. So another benefit that I've noticed is that it helps with blood circulation. So it helps with circulating the blood by moving the by moving the gemstone rollers back and forth on the skin. That's obviously creating movement on the face, and that's going to help to circulate the blood and keep a nice tone throughout your face. Another benefit with jade rolling would definitely be fine lines, wrinkles, and so forth. It's going to help that fluids and everything just kind of run through your skin evenly, and it's going to over time eliminate you by getting fine lines, wrinkles, and so forth. Obviously right now I don't have any fine lines or wrinkles. I may have a little bit of fine lines under the eyes, but obviously that's normal for everyone. But just doing that extra like task in the morning, I guess you would say, would definitely help reduce them in the future. Over time, jade rolling can definitely tighten the skin. Right now, I haven't noticed that as I haven't been doing jade rolling for months yet. I literally been doing it for like 2-3 weeks now. Ever since I learned about what jade rolling is, I've been including that in my morning and afternoon routine, which I will be filming an updated one so you guys can see a little bit more in depth of what I do in my skincare routine. But over time, it's supposed to help to tighten the skin. So those are definitely a few benefits of jade rolling that I've learned about. I will have on my screen a few more benefits of jade rolling. Now let's move on to the demo of how I jade roll. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to be using one jade roller. So you could use 2 jade rollers to just help go faster if you were in a rush, but one works just as fine. Another tip is you never want to jade roll when your skin is dry, so you want to have some type of serum or oil to help the jade rollers glide along the skin and not tug on the skin. Okay, so I went ahead and I already applied some light composition oil on my skin. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but I just kind of like tapped it onto the skin. I didn't push it into my skin, rub it into my skin, or anything of that nature because I am going to be using the jade roller to do that. So my jade roller is nice and cold because it was sitting in a bowl of ice. So yeah, let's begin jade rolling.